Hey there, Cushman here. Just scored this for the Homestead offer up for 20 bucks. Just a little brush saw, an old Craftsman 18-inch, a little 42cc saw. Nothing fancy or spectacular. Good for lemon and brush clearing. People knock the old Echoes and Craftsmans, but some of the older ones, they actually ran a little bit, you know? I mean, my opinion, I prefer Still for a bigger saw, or a Husky second. But Savannah, she's not going to manhandle a Still 44 or an 066 long bar Magnum saw. She's just not going to handle a hot saw. So she needs to be able to cut firewood and do things just as any other dude would do. So she's going to learn, and this will be her saw. It doesn't start now. I'll put the phone down here. Give you an idea, but it does crank. We got good compression actually. So it's clean, like many of them. Even if you're using them, a lot of times you got to go do a carb clean. So we'll clean the carb out, replace the gas, put a new plug in the thing, and let's see if it fires up. But we'll give her one more shot just for the hell of it. There we go. We almost had some fire there. Hell of a pop. Hey, 20 bucks. Let's put some, just about. They're always finicky when they get older. A little gas. See what she does. Keep her locked in there. Yeah, trigger mechanism works still. Full choke. Hey, you got fire for 20 bucks. See what we got here. I'll have to work on her, get her a new plug, and I'm not real good with Craftsman. Oh, almost. Just a touch more. See if we can get that choke halfway. Yeah, she's kicking. Yeah, just about. Give her a little gas. See if she. Yeah, we might have to go through the carb still. Probably a good idea. She put the choke in. She should stay popping just a little, but let's give her a chance just to idle and warm up. We've got life, which I didn't expect this for 20 bucks. Warm her up a little, see if we can get that choke in. Hey, 20 bucks! There we go. No, she dies out right when the choke goes in. So, do ourselves a little carb cleaning. Fires up again. let's figure that out, get a new plug in there, and work on the carb. It's probably what gave them fits. It's pretty normal in these old things, so see if we can't tune it up just a little. But it's a hell of a score. It fires and obviously runs. Chain doesn't look too bad. The dogs haven't been missharpened right. They're not knocked back too much. You still got some sharpening life left in it, it looks like. In the bar, there's a little burr, but nothing you can't take off with the file real quick, right, when you're sharpening. There's a little burr, but the bar isn't shot. So that's safe, so I don't have to replace the bar or the chain on it. Just got to get her tuned up and running.